Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the captivating world of aviation mishaps. Today we bring you an intriguing tale of mistaken runways, where a seemingly routine landing turned into a heart-stopping event. Buckle up and join us as we uncover the details behind the last remaining civil Boeing 707 crash, right here on Air Crash Chronicles. Exactly 3 years ago today, on a fateful day in Iran, an air disaster unfolded that left aviation enthusiasts and experts in shock. The aging Boeing 707, registered as EP-CPP, owned by the Iranian Air Force, but leased to Saha Airlines, was operating an international cargo flight from Kyrgyzstan to Iran. The aircraft was 42 years old at the time. It had first flown on 19th November 1976 and was delivered that month to the Imperial Iranian Air Force as 58312. It had been transferred to Saha Airlines on the 27th February 2000, and it was re-registered EP-SHK. It was substantially damaged by an uncontained engine failure on the 3rd of August 2009, whilst on a flight from Ahvaz International Airport to Mehrabad International Airport, Tehran. An emergency landing was made at Ahvaz. The aircraft was subsequently repaired. It was returned to the Iran Airfly in December 2015 and returned to Saha Airlines in May 2016, registered EP-CPP. As the aircraft prepared for landing, Mother Nature had a wicked surprise in store. Poor weather conditions cast a veil of confusion, causing the pilots to mistakenly identify Fath Air Base's runway as Payam International Airport. Now you may be wondering how such a mix-up could happen considering the proximity of these runways. Here's when it gets interesting. The civilian airport boasts a runway spanning a whopping 12,000 feet, while Fath Air Base's runway measures a mere 4,300 feet. For a Boeing 707, accustomed to requiring runways longer than 8,000 feet, this was a recipe for disaster. As the wheels touched down, disaster struck. The Boeing 707 hurtled towards the end of the runway, smashing through a wall and colliding with a nearby house. Thankfully, no one was home at the time, sparing innocent lives from the catastrophic event. Amidst the wreckage, a glimmer of hope emerged. The flight engineer miraculously survived despite sustaining severe injuries. Rushed to the Shariati Hospital, his resilience became a symbol of hope amidst the tragedy. Early reports gave the number of people on board as either 16 or 17, all but one of whom died. The sole survivor was Farsha Madavenya, the aircraft's flight engineer, who was taken to Shariati Hospital in a critical condition. Now, this runway mix-up may sound unbelievable, but believe it or not, it's not the first time such an incident has occurred. Let's rewind to November 16, 2018, when the Iranian Taban Air MD-88 carrying 155 people faced a similar predicament. Fortunately, the MD-88 realized the mistake and safely redirected to the correct airport. But wait, the plot thickens. Let's rewind even further. Back to the swinging 60s, picture this, a Pan American Boeing 707 en route from Tokyo to New York with a refueling stop in London. In a bizarre twist, the pilots landed at the Royal Air Force Base instead of London Heathrow Airport. The confusion was palpable. As the Pan Am pilots thought they were about to land safely, they were in for a jaw-dropping surprise. The plane screeched to a halt with only 100 feet of runway left, narrowly avoiding disaster. Air traffic control received a bewildering call from the IRIAF base, questioning the presence of a commercial airliner. It seems history has a way of repeating itself, as another Lufthansa 707 came dangerously close to experience the same runway blunder. Fortunately, sharp radar operators detected the mistake, ensuring a safe landing at Heathrow. And there you have it, folks, the captivating story of runway mix-ups, where a simple error can lead to catastrophic consequences. Join us next time as we unravel more astonishing aviation tales on Air Crash Chronicles. Remember, stay curious and fly safe.